Hey, Joel from Field, and today we're going to walk through setting up your service areas inside of your Field account. Whether you're a mobile business looking to manage your travel zones, or you have multiple shops and want to ensure they operate within their boundaries, having clear service areas is key to maintaining a scalable business. So let's dive into how to create your service areas. First, head to the Settings tab, then select Service Areas. Here, you'll see that Field has already created a default service area based on the city you entered when signing up. You can either edit this service area to fit your needs or create a new one. For this example, let's start fresh with my Austin service area. Click the plus button and give your zone a name. Then type in the city or address you'd like the zone to be centered around. Before Field creates the area, you can input the maximum amount of time you're willing to travel within this zone. Click Draw and watch Field create an optimized travel area around your selected center point. You can click Save here, or you can further customize the zone to your liking. Once you're happy with the zone, click Save. Field will then ask you if you want to add staff to this zone. This is especially helpful if you have multiple workers and multiple zones. It helps ensure that no one is traveling too far, giving everyone more time in their day. You now have your first service area, but there are a few additional features that can help you stay organized while operating within this zone. Here, you can add a travel charge to your services. Simply create a name and enter a fixed dollar amount. This fee will be applied to any mobile service booked within this zone. You can also assign a custom tax rate. If your business operates across multiple cities with different tax requirements, this setting is especially useful. Next, let's add a shop. Just like when you're adding a zone, enter a name and an address, then click Save. For easier shop scheduling, you can assign workers to your shop in the People tab. Now, when you add a new worker to Field, you'll see your service areas and shops come up in their worker profile, so you can correctly assign them to one. Back in the service area editor, you can configure additional settings like custom icons for your online booking page and distance-based filtering for shop scheduling. This helps limit bookings from customers who may be too far away from your shop. If you're a mobile service, we recommend pairing these features with live tracking. This allows customers to receive real-time updates on your arrival, which builds trust and reduces calls or text while you're on the road. Once you press Save, your online booking page will instantly update to reflect the areas where customers can book services. If a customer is outside of your service area, you can always override it by manually booking the appointment through the Field CRM. Having clear and defined service areas is one of the ways that Field helps your team stay efficient, reduce travel stress, and deliver a smooth, professional customer experience. Ready to take control of your bookings? Get started today and master your business with Field.